people. My beautiful dolls. Sorry. It's been so long, I know. So today I'm making this intro just to tell you what's going on today. I'm vlogging namhlanje. I'm up. I was down bad the past 2 weeks. I was down bad, Shem. But anyways, story for another day. But today we are out and about. So yeah, come with me. I don't know what we're doing, but we are definitely doing something. See you on the other side. Bye. Bonisa uMcDonald's lapho ba unjani akasembi iyadicaba yakudala sanibonisa ifuna ndivele ngawo phaya zawujika njani na nanku guys ingathi icawe like andi-understand. Guys, let's try this together. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah. Yeah. Getting ngayivulanga. Guys, siphume McDonald's name, and I felt some type of way about Lantombi that was helping us. So nekona makenbuza bona, am I reading too much into things? Okay, she was not very nice to us. And I didn't want to say, is it because we're black? Because she's white? And from Bangalore, who makes everything about a race. But was it because we are black? I don't know. But this looks... It smells good and looks goodish. I did my nails again. What's new?
No.
Nayiluma kakhulu ibhega yami. Ngakuthanda ungakandazi nomndazo. Ngakuthanda ungekazalwa nozala. My guy, a free meat. Not again.
Just for buying.
Just for buying. That's lab.
You always in the mood. I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Really, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? So I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Yeah.
还好我终于见到你，跨过了时间，终于再次见到你。可以什么都不做，就只是抱着你，牵着我的手，把一起飞到月亮去。你一直都是人群中闪耀的女孩，是我有生时间见过最漂亮的女孩，一直在艰辛等待着你会来，在下个转角和你撞了满怀。天使，你是我的 queen， 你是我的月亮，你是我的命，像是被烈酒让我起了反应，只想要发疯，别让我冷静。Let's go。
Always in the mood. I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Really, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? So I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Yeah.
还好我终于见到你，跨过了时间，终于再次见到你。
So guys, just a quick update. Andazi noba simenyiwe noba sizile, but birthday party like you saw in the previous clip. And I know when you know it's loud. Oh, it's a good birthday. Yeah, chomi. But I think we're early. I really think it's early. Yeah, and I know what's menyiwe, no what's zambele, no what's zele, but we are here. Love is wicked. Guys, on Saturday we went to that birthday party. By the way, I won't lie, I don't know, but anyways, we have fun, and then we came back home. Yesterday we didn't do anything, so sahlala nje, just chilled the entire day. Today it's Monday. Namhlanje ndiyothenga groceries because andikathengi groceries for apha endlini. Yeah, that's what I'm doing today, nothing much. And also, guys, I have a problem with my skin. When I'm here, John, I'm not sure what that is. I am really not sure what that is. So there are Korean products that I've been seeing for the longest time, or I knew, but product £23, and I'm just like, you can literally get a whole entire skincare range and get £23. I'm sorry, but I can't. Indians. So what I did, I go TikTok shop, and I'm like, flash sale, and mind you, I'm not sure if I was called fake as a products or anything like that. But if it's a fake, but I just don't like how my skin looks when I'm here, Hashem. Because because of pigmentation, like, so I wanted to try something because I've been trying a lot of products and it doesn't seem to be, they don't seem to be working for me. So I was like, you know what, I knew what it is. Even what I knew. Oh, also, we intro that day on Saturday. Was it Saturday? Yeah. In Queen Triam on Saturday, I said one of the past 2 weeks I was down bad. I wasn't really down bad. I think I was PMSing because I'm literally right now. I was PMSing, so I wasn't really up for Uband Bendi this video, right? Yo. So yeah, so namhlanje I'm going to get groceries, then dibuya pendlini. I'm not doing any other thing, yabo. But you will be spending the week with me. If you can't I don't really do much. Videos but I don't do much. Even the I'll film it, but I don't like this. I do not like this. Also, ezindipho bendinamabhongo wazo ndisendizenzile. Yintoni endiyenzayo mna iphumelele? Yintoni endiyenzayo iphumelele? Because lena nsithi yintoni endiyenzayo iphumelele, ndine-stress sese-skincare because ndisithenge TikTok shop 1. Number 2, chances are sithengiswa user number 900. Ndijongile la shop ne, and reviews were kind of good-ish, and people were saying they received their stuff, ongakhange got a refund. So I was like, okay, that's okay, let me try it. If ngumdubulo and if I don't really like get my things, I guess it's okay. Into engazubakho okay is lena yoba ndibe nezinto ebusweni because of fake skincare. But if it's a fake, because one ngabani, zawukhangela phofu ngizogooglisha ndithi fake Anua, ndithi original, comparishe uba eyami injani. But anyways, I'm rambling, look. See you on the other side. dolls, we've come to the end of this video, Shem. This vlog actually. It's quite long-ish, but I hope you will enjoy it. And also, before we end it, remember the skincare I was talking about, saying I'm worried, what if Site Safik. Let me show you. And Sifike in this is the packaging. You will love this. Oh, yeah. Sifike kanju. Oh, this is it. Obviously, I second those boxes because I was like, let me try it out. And I'm on day 3 on the 70s, and got for any type of reaction. I'm hoping I won't. Pop and Sazi, like disateta based on Lawariam. These are the products. The first one, it's the pore control cleansing oil. This is what you first use, and then Uzenge deep cleansing oil, Indoland foam. They're quite nice, Shem, on the skin because they leave skin some feeling so hydrated. And then this is the toner. This is the what you call this thing? Toner Lena. And then we have niacinamide. I hope you guys. And then last but not least, we have the daily lotion. So yeah, Zinjana, and I'm gonna come back, Shem, with a review. Ubana Zinjani. Yabo. Ubana Zinpetinjani. And also, guys, another thing, I started like ufaka collagen into my, because sibadala guys siyaguga ngoku iskin siyadinwa. Sorry, iskin siyadinwa, so ngoku funeke sifake collagen in it. So I've started using this collagen. I have used collagen before and my skin was stunning at the time. That I'm gonna insert a picture yangoku I was using collagen. So I fire up right here, like the difference yangoku and then. But I'm back again to using collagen, and I hope this one is good too, because the one I was using at first, it was chef's kiss. Amazing. So guys, this is me saying until next time, I will see you in my next vlog. I will try and be consistent again. Yeah, I'll try and be consistent again, but till next time.